In this video, I will show you how to download Vault app on your smart TV. This is very simple. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find this video useful to you. So to download Vault app on your smart TV, what you're gonna do is to come to this application called Downloader. It's a very helpful application I use to install any application from across the internet on my smart TV. So you come ahead, if you don't have download on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there to get the download application on your smart TV. And as I said, downloader helps you get anything you want to your smart TV from across the internet. So once you launch downloader, this is how it's going to look like. And we want to download the Vault app to our smart TV. So you go ahead and type in the Vault app here. I'll type in Vault app. Now, Vault app is an application that you can use on your smart TV to hide apps, hide images, hide videos, or hide anything you want in the form of media. So once you click on Vault and download that and search for the keyword Vault, just go ahead and search. So download is going to show us where we can download the Vault application to our smart TV. As you can see on my screen right now, here are the various sources where you can install, where you can download the application to your smart TV. So I'll go with this option here. You just come over here and click on it. And click on it, it shows you the options to download the application to your smart TV. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.